Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we will be making Coconut Raspberry Bundt cake. This Coconut Raspberry Bundt cake makes a great surprise for all kinds of special occasions. The best part is that it's really easy to make. Your loved ones will be amazed by this cute, flavorful cake. Let's get right into the video, shall we? For this recipe, we will be needing the following ingredients. You can find the exact measurements in the description box below. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour your bundt cake pan. In a large mixing bowl, sift in the 350 grams of all-purpose flour and 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Add the 150 grams of desiccated coconut and mix this until everything is well combined. Remove about 1 tablespoon of the flour coconut mixture and set it aside for our raspberries later on. In another large mixing bowl, add the 200 milliliters of vegetable oil, 250 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Beat this on medium-high speed until everything comes together. Make sure to scrape your bowl every once in a while. Now we can add in our 5 eggs, one at a time. Make sure to beat this well after each addition, just like so. Add in the flour coconut mixture. Mix this until everything is well incorporated. We can now add in the 250 milliliters of coconut milk. Give this all a quick mix just until everything comes together. I'm just using a wooden spoon to do so. This is the consistency we are looking for. Before we add our raspberries into our cake mixture, we are going to mix the 1 tablespoon of the flour coconut mixture together with our raspberries. Make sure that the raspberries are fully coated. I'm using frozen raspberries, but you could also use fresh raspberries instead. Lastly, we can add our floured raspberries into our cake mixture. Make sure to mix them in gently so that they don't get squashed. Pour your cake mixture into your prepared bundt pan. Bake this for about 60 to 65 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. My cake is done baking. I baked mine for 63 minutes. Let your cake cool down completely. My cake has already cooled down. I'm now going to prepare my sour cream glaze. Just add 2 tablespoons of sour cream into your 100 grams of confectioner sugar. Mix this together until you get a paste-like consistency, just like so. I'm just going to add a bit of red food coloring to my glaze to make it look real cute. You can use any other color for this or just leave it white. That's totally up to you, but I'm feeling the pink color right now. We can now spread our glaze on top of our bundt cake to give it that drip effect. I'm just using a spoon to do so. Since the glaze is quite thick, you can easily control your dripping pattern. Lastly, I like to sprinkle a bit of desiccated coconut on top. You could just use sprinkles instead. Let your imagination run wild at this point. So this is my coconut raspberry bundt cake. I love the sweet coconut flavor together with the slight sour raspberries. It's definitely a match made in heaven. That pink sour cream glaze adds the perfect finishing touch to this simple bundt cake. You must give this recipe a try. I hope you enjoyed my video today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more yummy recipes. Take care and see you next time. Bye!